Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa kabar semuanya? Senang sekali hari ini Miss Yuli bisa berjumpa kembali dengan siswa-siswi kelas 4 SDIT Daurah Tangerang. Semoga kalian semua hari ini sehat-sehat saja. Masih semangat untuk belajar di rumah kan ya? Oke, sebelum kita belajar, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Rabbi sahli sodri wa yassirli amri waqlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Unit 8, Weather. What was the weather like? For grade 4 students of SDIT Daurah Tangerang. What was the weather like? Today, we're going to learn about 3 topics. First, we're going to learn about times of the day. Then, we're going to ask about the weather. And last, we're going to talk about our favorite weather. First, times of the day. There are 4 times of the day we're going to discuss in this unit. Morning, atau pagi. This is the time between our waking up, mulai dari kita bangun tidur, until 11 o'clock, sampai pukul 11. Next is afternoon, siang. We call it afternoon when the time is between 11 o'clock until 4 p.m., sampai jam 4 sore. When the clock goes past 4 p.m., up until 9 p.m., sampai jam 9, we've got evening, petang. Mulai dari sore sampai malam jam 9 itu disebutnya petang. After 9 o'clock in the evening, setelah lewat jam 9 malam, we call it night, larut malam. Now let's check if you really understand about the time of the day. How do we call these times of the day? Morning? Afternoon? Evening, atau night? Kita lihat nomor 1, pukul 18, yang artinya jam 6 sore. What is the name of the time? Evening. Good. Number 2, pukul 13, atau disebut juga pukul 1 siang. How do we call this time? Afternoon. Nice. Nomor 3, pukul 7. Penulisan waktu seperti ini biasanya untuk pagi hari. We call it morning. Very good. Nomor 4, pukul 22. Ini berarti jam 10 malam. Maka kita menyebutnya night. That's right. Now, we're going to learn to ask about weather. Jika kita menanyakan cuaca di waktu lampau, misalnya kemarin, maka kita gunakan kalimat What was the weather like yesterday? Yang nantinya akan dijawab dengan It was cold and rainy, misalnya. Sedangkan, jika kita menanyakan cuaca saat ini, hari ini, maka kita gunakan kalimat What is the weather like today? Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? Yang nantinya akan dijawab dengan It is warm and cloudy, atau It is cold and snowy, atau yang lainnya. Perhatikan penggunaan is dan was dalam kalimat-kalimat tersebut ya. Bulan lalu, kalian sudah belajar bahwa was digunakan untuk kalimat lampau, simple past. Sedangkan is digunakan untuk kalimat saat ini, simple present. Baik pertanyaan maupun jawabannya menggunakan bentuk be yang sama, is atau was. Paham ya? Now let's check on your understanding. Look at the picture on the left. It says yesterday morning. We need to ask about yesterday morning's weather. How do we ask that? What was the weather like yesterday morning? Very good. And how do we answer that? We've got a sun shining brightly in the sky. That means the weather was hot and sunny. Okay, time to do the exercises on the book. Open page 75 of your book. Number 1. We've got yesterday at 10. This means morning time. So we write down what was the weather like yesterday morning. And the picture here shows a thermometer whose red color in the thermometer doesn't go all the way up. Dia tidak naik sampai atas, which shows warm temperature. And then we also have a sun, a cloud, and some water yang berarti raining. So the weather was warm and rainy. Now number 2. It says yesterday at 15. Okay. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So we've got what was the weather like yesterday afternoon? And the picture here shows a thermometer whose temperature goes all the way up, which means hot. And we also have sunglasses and a sun. This means the weather was hot and sunny. Okay. Next is number 3. Yesterday at 19. It means it happens at 7 o'clock in the evening. So we write down what was the weather like yesterday evening. The thermometer in the picture doesn't show high temperature, so we've got warm temperature. We also have sun and wind blows. So that means it's windy. And the answer is it's warm and windy. Paham sampai sini? Kalau paham, silahkan kalian kerjakan sendiri soal nomor 4 dan 5 di rumah ya. Sekarang kita ke bagian terakhir pelajaran hari ini. Talking about favorite weather. Kalau kita ingin bertanya mengenai cuaca kesukaan seseorang, maka kita menggunakan kalimat What's your favorite weather? Apa cuaca kesukaan kamu? Dan jika kita ditanya seperti itu, kita bisa jawab dengan My favorite weather is hot and sunny misalnya. Atau bisa juga dengan I like hot and sunny weather. Sekarang, mari kita coba kerjakan activity 4 di halaman 75. Jawab sesuai dengan keadaan yang sebenarnya ya. I'll give you an example for the question number 1 only. Okay. What was the weather like yesterday morning? Karena Miss Yuli membuat video ini di hari Selasa, maka Miss Yuli akan menjawab dengan cuaca di hari Senin pagi, yaitu it was hot and sunny. Kalian gunakan cuaca yang sesuai dengan waktu kalian mengerjakannya ya. Oke, sampai sini dulu pelajaran kita hari ini. Jangan lupa serahkan jawaban kalian ke Miss Yuli melalui bit.ly/75GW4. Boleh juga kirim foto lembaran buku kalian ke WA Miss Yuli. Tapi tulisannya harus jelas ya. Oh ya, supaya kalian tidak bosan mengerjakan soal, Miss Yuli berikan satu lagu mengenai weather ini di akhir video ini. Sebelumnya, Miss Yuli undur diri dulu ya. Thank you for watching the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye!
What was the weather like yesterday? It was cold and rainy. What's the weather like today? It's hot and sunny. Today it's hot and sunny, so we can go out and play. Hooray! What was the weather like yesterday? It was cold and foggy. What's the weather?